Hello students, welcome to my next video. Today we are going to learn latest and emerging trends in business research. I, Dr. Rohan Devale, welcome you all in the lecture number 6 online lecture series for the subject Business Research Methods. Learning questions for today's session are: what are various trends in business research? What are various research applications in the functional areas like HR, marketing, finance, operations and supply chain management, and business analytics, etc., of the business management? We will start with emerging trends in business research. Globalization have paved the path for the companies to produce at any part of the globe and to sell at the global marketplace. Now, business is not having any geographical boundaries and policy restrictions. Consumers' culture and behavior varies at different parts across the globe. Multinational companies which are operating at international level engage in international research. When measuring business, a statistical and statistics may only be meaningful if compared to another. It could be compared to the corresponding figures for another entity, such as another country or another industry, or the same measurement taken earlier. When the businesses compare a measurement to a series of the same stat, they can identify a trend. Thus, trend research and analysis allows company to access their work and predict their future businesses. Trends are watched carefully in every industry and for general commerce. Technological advancement has resulted in information revolution. Time and distance constraints happened disappeared. Nowadays, researchers collect the data through email surveys designed through Google Form or other forms of various online surveys and service providers, example surveymonkey.com. Arranging and analyzing voluminous data has become simpler due to the information technology capabilities. Many statistical softwares such as SPSS, SAS, MATLAB, Stata, etc. possess tools of data analysis. Social media research is the emerging trend. Researchers analyze the behavior of the employees and consumer. The format is that way flexible enough to suit the nearly any audience through gamification, live chat, bulletin boards, and other methods to provide a powerful tool for researchers at a fraction of the cost that hosting in-person events and similar studies would cost through the acquire necessary insights for formulating various strategies and policies. Nowadays, business organizations prefer qualitative research to tackle the emotional quotient of the customers. Researchers use digital technology for conducting focus group, opinion polls, observation studies. For organizing focus group, the researcher can use video conferencing techniques, example Skype, etc. Similarly, the researcher can adopt digital campaign for opinion poll method. Likewise, the researcher can use webcam for observational studies while the respondents may behave normally since the absence of supervision. Digital technology has lessened the cost of the researcher but also paved the path for wider reach and within the short span of time. With the penetration of smartphones, the researcher used mobile for infographic studies, which not only lowers the cost but also saves the time. Through video chats, mobile polls, and other tools, it is possible to conduct contextual and immersion studies without the need of consent, on-site supervision, which is far better traditional scary and expensive infographic methods. Thus, business research is making the business world more dynamic. Today, new products, new structures, new models, newer systems and new theories, various new techniques are being used in business research. So these are various emerging trends in business research. Now we will see research applications in business and management. So I have listed out few of the hot topics and latest topics. Artificial intelligence will dominate the consumer engagement. Blockchain for marketing will certainly gain popularity. Mobile technology will redefine the buying game. Automation will be on the rise. Voices on social media platforms will gain momentum. Hashtag will do the talking. Experience-driven market will flourish. Emotional advertisement and advertising will rule the roost. Marketing going the agile way. Serving community over bunch of buyers to gain momentum. Now we will see some research application in marketing management. Those are latest topics. Conversational marketing, influencer marketing, social media marketing, content marketing and digital copywriting, smart speakers and voice search, social media stories, omni-channel tracking, and augmented reading, that is AR and immersive technologies. Now we will see research applications in human resource management. Attracting and retaining top talent, diversity, equity and inclusion, that is DE and I, employer brand and connection to meaning, align talent and business, remote employees, virtual team building, better onboarding, health advocacy programs, and pre-employment assessments. Now we will see research applications in financial management, responsibility accounting, CSR governance, outcome and financial performances, earning management and discretionary accruals, CEO decision horizons and firm performance, IPO and season equities and firm performances, voluntary disclosure and firm performances, firm life cycle and firm performances, earning management and its effect on firm performance. Now we will see research applications in operations and supply chain management, approximation algorithm, discrete continuous convex, robust scholastic optimization, machine learning and its interface with optimization, supply chain analytics, pricing and revenue management, scholastic modeling. Now we will see research applications in business analytics, information system strategy, application econometrics and forecasting, self-service business intelligence, advanced and predictive analytics, agile BI development, mobile business intelligence, portal or location intelligence, and cloud business intelligence. So what are our learning outcomes? In the session, we have seen various trends in business research. We have also seen research applications in functional areas, that is HR, marketing, finance, operations, supply chain management, and business analytics of the business management. In my next lecture, we will understand the business research process. Till then, keep thinking, keep learning, keep watching my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and turn on the bell icon for further notifications. All the best.